Hello students, in previous lecture we have studied how to download the Prolog, its basic and data types. Today I will discuss with you what are facts and rules, as these facts and rules are used to store the knowledge base in language Prolog. Prolog programs used relations, and these relations are defined with the help of clauses. There are basically two types of clauses, one is fact and another are rules. Each and every thing has a syntax, like the syntax of fact is that it contains a name and object, but these are considered in the lower cases. The relationship is also written in the lower cases and it is defined in this way. For example, if we want to represent a sentence, Ram is friend of Sham, then this thing can be represented in the form friend Ram Sham. Friend is a relation between the two objects, that is Ram and Sham. Even the relations and objects, they are represented in lower cases, and objects are separated by commas enclosed in the round brackets. All the facts, each and every fact you can say ends with operator dot, that is full stop. I am going to take certain examples how to represent the sentences in the form of predicate. For example, if there is a sentence Tanny is a cat, cat is going to be a relation and Tanny is an object. Diamond is precious, diamond is going to be an object and precious is a relation of an object. If there are number of objects, for example in this, Ram gives book to Sham. Gives is a relation between Ram book and Sham, and same way you need to represent the rules. What is a rule? Rules are used when you want to say that fact depends upon the group of facts. When the fact, I am again repeating, when the fact depends upon the group of facts, at that time you use the rule. And the syntax to represent the rule is head, then if statement, then body. Head is true if the body is going to be true, and this symbol is represented for if statement. If the clauses are empty, then they are called as facts. I am representing few sentences. For example, Tanny is a cat. It can be represented can, Tanny, and it's equivalent to the rule cat, Tanny if true. From the above fact, one can ask the question in the knowledge base, is Tanny a cat? Then the answer will be represented in the form of yes. And in Prolog we are using this question mark symbol as a prompt and this dot operator to have the resultant value in the form of true and false. I am going to give the example of certain rules, clauses with body, that are called as rules. For example, if I want to represent all cats with X is a variable that is bounded with the relationship cat, all cats are also animals. This can be represented in this form with the help of this rule. If you want to represent Ram likes anyone who likes hockey, means every person, Ram likes only that person who likes hockey, this can be represented in this form. If likes X hockey, Ram likes Ram X. Ram likes all X that likes hockey. This sentence can be represented in this very simple form, and the same way we can store our knowledge base. Next, how to start a Prolog. You will click on the start button. You will click on swipe Prolog. This prompt sign is here, that is with a question mark. You want to create your knowledge base, you will click on file, then you will click on new. You will store your knowledge base with any file name. For example, I am storing it as cats.pl. PL is extension for Prolog. Save. Here you will store your knowledge base, your facts. For example, I am storing cat, Tanny. That means Tanny is a cat, ending with dot operator. Next, I am again storing some another object, cat, Jimmy. Jimmy is again a cat, ending with dot operator. Cat, Rosie. Rosie is again a cat. Okay, these all are the facts. But now I want to store some rule. Animals, I am bounding it with the variable x. If statement, and then cat, again bounding the cat with variable x. This statement holds that all cats are animals and ending it with dot operator. After that, I will compile buffer. Okay. Then in the query window, you can query about cat, Tanny, and the resultant value will be true. If I am querying about cat, Johnny, and then full stop, it is going to result the value in the form of false. Means this value cat Johnny is not stored in the database, that's why its value is false. If I am going to query about again cat Jimmy, then this value is going to be true because this value has already stored in the database. Next, if I am querying about animals, Jimmy, this value is again true because all the cats are also animals. We have stored this in the form of rules. Animals, Johnny, we haven't stored this value, so the value will be false. This is the way how you can store the facts and rules into the Prolog. Thank you.